Once, long ago, or was it last week, a warlock-wanderer named Scorchborn danced with death in the drunken halls of dwarves. They shared goblets, giggled, and guzzled strange glowing brews deep in the bowels of a mountain cave. But when the merriment died down, they cast him back to the surface, to the same cursed forest where his tale began. With a splitting skull and a hangover hotter than hell's hearth, Scorchborn stumbled through the trees, searching for a soul to give him a ride to the nearest night rest. But the forest was silent, too silent, and even through the throb of dwarven ale, he felt it, that chilling tingle on the nape of his neck. He was being followed. And then she appeared, a woman in a tattered cloak. She glided toward him, her fingers stretching, twitching, unnatural. With a growl, he drew his infernal blade. The sword erupted into flame, casting flickering shadows across his fiery eyes, and Scorchborn knew this was no traveler. With a warrior's cry, he brought the blade down on the spectre. Oh, it howled, igniting in a blaze of ghost fire, and crumbled into a pile of smoldering bone. But he shouldn't have looked. As he stared into the ashes of his fallen foe, something stared back. Something ancient. Something hungry. His scream pierced the forest as his flesh blackened, skin cracked, and muscle melted away. But don't worry, kiddies. He didn't die. No, no, no. He was reborn. He is Scorchborn. He burned once for glory. Now he burns forever in regret.